Hello, today. Most times you wonder what makes people manifest so well. But you find out that every spiritual manifestation comes from a harmonized family life. Okay, so this I'll break down in bits and I will tell you how to make your home, to restore harmony in your home using this very powerful prayer. Yeah, most times people wonder why their loved ones stay away. Maybe after work, they prefer the pub, the beer pub, to coming back home. They kind of wonder why is there always chaos when he are almost at the brink of manifestation or breakthrough. So you know that Asmodeus is it acts demon with the main duty to destroy homes. We walks through small minions. They walk through small minions, which is small fairies and demons. Okay, and then these demons manifest through people who could be acting as agents of darkness, like the witches. They come and poison the home through one person, and then the home is distorted. But in this very video, I will tell you how to maintain this harmonious family life. When you maintain a harmonious family life, you find out that your spiritual prayers, your spiritual work manifests physically tremendously. But sometimes when you make a spiritual work and is about to make breakthrough, some kind of chaos happens at home. People who ain't supposed to say some kind of things start saying them. Things that ain't supposed to happen start happening. And at the point, it draws back the manifestation of your breakthrough. So, but on this very video, I will tell you a little psalm, a very little tip, but powerful ancient path that you can practice and make your home a very living peace that will bring forth every other manifestation to life. Maybe you're married, you have your wife at home, and maybe your siblings are there, your mothers are there, and the kind of disruptions or chaos, maybe disagreements happening. This is what you do. This, you get a parchment, any parchment paper. You write all the names of your family members, people that are your family member, on one part of the paper parchment. Okay, when you do this, then on the other part of the parchment, back of the paper, you write Psalm 133 verse 1 and 2. Okay, then when you write it, then at this edge, like I said, name of the family members on one part of the parchment. Then on the other side, you write Psalm 133 verse 1 and 2. You will see the psalm on the screen. You write it, you copy the psalm on this part. Then you get a piece oil. This is a piece oil, like a mustard oil for faith. Then you get this mustard oil, anoint it at the edge of this paper, edge of this parchment. The four edges, you anoint it, the four edges of the parchment. Okay, you anoint it at the four edges of the parchment. Then for peace to reign, this, you can get a piece oil or mustard oil. Then you fold. Okay, you can fold it towards you. Then you can use any thread, white thread for purity. Then you can tie it any white thread. Then keep it any safe place in that same home. Even if you have multi people with different understanding that maybe do not agree on anything, once you keep this, everyone will find a reason to agree. So this is people might say is it this small rite, but is as powerful as high ritual. to restore peace in your home. I know some kind of high voodoo works cannot restore that peace in your home, even if they are working for one good thing for you. But when you do this, you are sure that any other prayer or rite you are performing for any other intention, for finance, for marriage, or any other intention will manifest when there is a peaceful family home. So this is a very real tip, and the more we be coming on this very channel, I wish you very good energy. You stay blessed and try to like, share, and subscribe to get more tips on this. Then put on the notification so you get more tips on this, and then the next will be the spiritual process that you must not rush to get the manifestation of anything you desire in due order. Stay blessed. I'm a very good guy, spiritual dude.